Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ajay and in this video we are going to learn about operators in Java. So there are many operators in Java. So let's see one by one. First, arithmetic operators. To do arithmetic operations we have taken two variables here, first a and b, to do operation on that variables, and to store the result of that operation we have taken result variable here. So here we are adding these two variables and this result of this addition we are storing inside this result variable, and this result we are printing on the console. Same we have done subtraction operation, multiplication and division operation. Then this modulus operators, to find the remainder of the operation we used modulus operators, and this remainder we are storing inside the result, and same that result we are printing on the console. Then talking about increment and decrement operators, to increment the value by one value or decrement by the one value we are using increment and decrement operators. So here to increase the value by 1 we have used this plus plus operator here to increase the value by 1, and to decrease the value by 1 we have used this minus minus operators here, right? Let's talk about relational operators. So here we have taken two variables to do relational operations. So here relational operators means like less than, greater than, means comparison of two variables. We use this relational operators. So this line says that whether x value is less than y or not. So if this condition is true, then this will return true, otherwise it will return false. Same we have done this operation on these two variables. This equal means we are checking the both variables are equal or not. If the both variables are equal, then it will print the true, otherwise it will print the false. Then logical operators. To do logical operation we have taken here p variables and assign the value true, and q variable and assign the value false. So this is logical and this or is logical or, means this operation is telling that p and q, if both the values are true, then only it will returns the true value, otherwise all cases it will false. Then in case of this logical OR operation, if any one of these two value is true, then it will result true, otherwise false. In the AND operator, if the both values will be true, then it will print true. In the OR operator, if any one value will be true, it will result true, otherwise false. And these NOT operators will use to reverse the value, right? Here we are using not p, means not true, means it will result false. Then assignment operators. This 10 value we are assigning to the num variables. So here this equal to symbol is a assignment operators, means this side value we are assigning to the variables. So that's it about today's video on operators, and I will be see you in the next video.